alright 반복된 시스템 이제서야 끝을 내보려 Even if the sun goes down on you You gotta keep that shine on top, yeah.
So let me start off with some skincare because that's like the major part of this haul, and of course I have to start with sheet masks because you guys know that I actually really like using it. Something about sheet mask feels so luxurious, like I'm doing something extraordinary for my skin, so I love using them, like I said. And these are the ones by Moly, and by far these are my most favorite ones because they really fit my face and I also feel like they actually work for my skin. So the one that I have are the brightening one, the skin purifying one, elasticity, radiance, brightening, vitality, and finally pore care. Now the next things that I got from Nykaa are these capsule packs because I love trying these out. There are so many different varieties of it and you do not pay a lot for these, so you get to try out different formulas of it, like varieties of it, before you actually invest in a bigger size. So the two ones that I have is the Rice Brightening Sleeping Pack, and this is the Volcanic Jeju Wash Off Pack of like the big size that's like really famous by Innisfree. So this is the smaller version of it, and these are the two these are the two capsule packs that I got. And I also got a little free gift from Innisfree because I purchased above a certain amount. So they gave me this Innisfree green tea seed cream. It's a small sample size product and it smells so refreshing, but I don't use it because it's a little oily for my skin, so I might use it for the colder months. But for now, these two are the ones that I regularly use. You can make like 3 to 4 uses out of these, which I think is decent for like 150 bucks. So yeah, now let's move on to the other section of skincare that I have. Okay, so now I have some K-beauty products which are actually not from Nykaa. So I recently discovered this website called Beautybarn.in, which is an Indian K-beauty website. So you get a lot of different Korean brands, including like Cosrx, Benton, Klairs, and so many other brands that are actually not available on Nykaa. And also they have a really easy payment method, like you can use mobile wallets and all this stuff. So I contacted them and they sent me a bunch of their products. So these are the products that they had sent me. The first one is this Benton kit. Now this is like a travel sized kit. It includes 7 items, and I think this one retails for like 2100, which is like a great deal because you're getting like 7 products for 2100. That's like 300 per product. So the items that are inside this bag are the following. Like I said, there are 7 items in this, so you can have like a 7-step Korean skincare routine, and the following items are what's inside. So you have the Tea Tree Cleansing Water, Aloe BHA Skin Toner, Aloe Propolis Soothing Gel, Honest Cleansing Foam, Snail Bee High Content Essence, Snail Bee High Content Steam Cream, and finally Benton Fermentation Eye Cream. Finally, the last 3 things that I was sent are these 3 things. So this one is the All Clean Cleansing Balm by Heimish, and I have seen and heard about this for so many years and I finally get to try this. The second one and the third one are both Klairs products. So this is the Klairs Freshly Juiced Vitamin E Mask, and this is the Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner. So with makeup, I actually have very little to show, only like 4 items, and the first one being this Hilary Rhoda eyeshadow palette. Now this is a very colorful bright eyeshadow palette, and I got this from Amazon for I think 200 or 250. But this is actually a dupe of NYX's Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to hold them up side by side so you can see. Now as you can see, these are like exact dupes of each other. There are like minor differences, and when I posted the picture of these two side by side on my Instagram stories, a lot of you messaged me saying that you want to see a comparison between these two. So that will be up in a few weeks, do not worry. But moving on to the second item, which is a Miss Claire blush, and this is what the blush looks like. It's a very orangey corally color, and I love orangey blushes these days. So I got this in the shade number 4. It's also very pigmented, as you guys can see. the third thing I got is this very famous L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. I have been wanting to buy this since years and I finally got it. I haven't yet used it because I want to use it on camera maybe, I'm not sure. But this is the third item I got, and the fourth item is a lipstick because my hauls are incomplete without lip products. So this is a 3CE lipstick that I got from Beautybarn and it's in the shade 116 Inked Heart. So this is what the packaging looks like. It looks very sleek. It's a matte lipstick and I love this. I absolutely love this. This is what the shade looks like. I'm going to swatch it. So this is the swatch of it. It's like this orangey nudish brown. Love it. And those were all the makeup. Now let's move on to clothes. Actually, I do have quite a lot of other makeup that I want to show you, but I cannot because it's for some other video, so you're gonna see it soon in a different video. But for now, let's move on to the last segment, which is fashion.
Here we go, we're gonna send this one out to the old school. All these motherfuckers in the Bronx and Brooklyn and Staten Island, Queens, and all the motherfuckers that laid it down, the foundation, you know what I'm saying? Number love for the old school, that's what we're gonna do this one for, you feel me? Can't go with some DVDs and shit. I remember Mr. Magic Flash, Grandmaster Castle, LL Razor Nail, but and if it lasts ever be a rock cameras, the shit to me, I flip to see a junkie fresh.
So this is the top that I got from Shein. It is bottle green in color. It's actually cropped and I generally never buy cropped, but I really like this one so I got it. And also it's got a turtleneck which makes it a little hot, but the material is super comfortable so I don't mind it. Otherwise, this is what it looks like, and let me go and change and show you guys the second outfit. As you guys can see, it's a little tight on my chest area. I actually thought I would return this, but my mom likes it a lot and she wants me to keep this, so I would have to exchange it and size up because currently it's very tight and it feels like I would just flash someone any second, so I need to exchange it. But overall I quite like it, and yeah.